Cognitive aspects of aging. Cognition is the set of all the mental abilities and processes related to knowledge, attention, memory, and working memory, judgment and evaluation, reasoning, problem solving, decision making, comprehension, and production of language. These processes are not independent of one another. Example, attention may be a part of perception, so language may be part of memory and the decision making, etc. Cognitive aging. Cognitive aging is the decline in cognitive processing that occurs as people get older. Age-related impairments in reasoning, memory, and processing speed can arise during adulthood and progress into the elder years. The basic cognitive functions most affected by the age are attention and memory. Deficits at these early processing stage could affect cognitive functions later in the processing stream. Higher level cognitive functions such as language processing and decision making may also be affected by age. Cognitive abilities resources. On an average, aging is accompanied by decline in three fundamental cognitive processing resources. First one, processing speed. Second one, working memory. Third one, sensory and perceptual changes. Processing speed. In that, reduced speed of information processing and response most predictable. Next, working memory refers to short term retention and manipulation of information held in conscious memory, a type of online cognitive processing. Examples include consciously dialing a telephone number long enough to write it down. And the third one, sensory and perceptual changes. Determinants in visual and auditory acuity and other perceptual changes. These are the three main cognitive ability resources: processing speed, working memory, and sensory and perceptual changes. Cognitive capacities: sustained attention, response inhibition, speed of information processing, cognitive flexibility and control, multiple simultaneous attention, working memory, category formation, pattern recognition. Signs of cognitive decline: hallucinations, delusion, personality changes, apathy, depression symptoms, anxiety symptoms, getting lost. These are the main signs of cognitive decline. Cognitive skill maintaining ways are: first one, take care of your physical health. Taking care of your physical health may help your cognitive health. Eat healthy food. Be physically active. Keep your mind active. Stay connected with social activities. Reduce the risk to cognitive health. These ways are help to improve cognitive skills.